Hello and welcome everybody. Today we are going to create a ladder using assembly feature. So first select a plane. We will create the frame of the ladder. We will use parallelogram and create a basic shape like this. Now we will go to smart dimensions and dimension the ladder. So we will give 15 mm. So the height will be 250 mm and the angle between these two will be 65 mm. Oh sorry, 65 degree. So the basic sketch of our ladder is created. So we will extrude it of to 10 mm. Okay. Now we will create holes for steps. So first create a sketch. Select circle. Draw a circle. So we want this circle to be mid plane to both these lines. So we will create a line, construction line from the midpoint of this and this. And we will add a parallel relation between these two lines. Now this circle lies in the middle of both these lines. We will make this for construction and we will give dimension to the circle. It is 8 mm and the distance of this line is 15 mm. Now we have created one hole, sketch for the hole. Now we will go to extruded cut and make a cut to all. So we want more such holes throughout this frame, but we will not going to create the sketch for each and individual hole. So we will use linear pattern feature. We will select this direction and up to reference. So the reference will be this edge to reference this edge. So you have to make sure that this reference is perpendicular to the direction which you have selected, means this one. So it is perpendicular direction. Now it is done. Now you have to select the feature which you have to pattern. I will select this feature. Now here this is going beyond the frame, so we will restrict it and we will add some offset of 5 is less, so we will add 15. This is good. We will select. We will also extend the distance between these two lines, so that we will reduce the number of holes. 9 is okay. Now it looks good. We will have to save this part, so we will save it. Create a folder for this ladder frame. Now we will have to make the steps. So it will be a basic ladder, so we will use simple steps. So for that, create a new part, plane. We will select the circle, and it is important to add the diameter which is equal to the hole which we have created, so it will not interfere. Extruded boss, suppose 100. We can change it later on if it is too much. Let's make it 75. Okay. We can edit the length in the assembly also, so it's not a big deal. Now we have to create assembly, so we can create a new assembly or we can also create an assembly from the part itself. So we will use that feature. Now we have to add the steps. So insert part, browse, steps. Okay. So now we have to mate it. So go to mate. We will use concentric feature. Okay. Now we have fixed this step. Similarly, we have to copy this mate throughout these holes. So we will not going to do the steps again and again. What we will do is we will go to linear pattern and make pattern of the component. There are 9 holes. So either we can do it like this or we will use up to reference, same as we did earlier. Select the edge. We will give an offset of 14. Now it is perfect. Select OK. Another, we have to copy this one, this set. For that, press Ctrl in your keyboard and drag this part outwards. Or you can also use insert component, ladder frame and do it. So using Ctrl is a shortcut. There is another way of doing it. I will show you that in the later videos. So first we will do this and we will make this concentric. So select mate, this part and this part. Okay. The same which we did last time. Make this coincident. Okay. In this way we have created the basic ladder. Using assembly features. So I hope you guys have learned how to make a ladder in SolidWorks. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.